Ayan guys, good morning, pasensya na kayo at kahit na ang gulo ng ating mukha dahil umagang umaga 8:33 pero tayo ay naka breakfast na and tawag siya. Ako ay may gagawin sa garage. Ay, lilinisin ko muna yung aking washing machine bago mag-start dahil matagal na itong hindi nalinis. Ayan guys. So ito yan yung aking washer. Tatanggalin ko yan. I'm not sure kung paano. Gusto kong hugasan ito eh. Ano ba ito? Mamaya, tanggalin ko yan. Kasi kailangan ko hugasan. And then ito. Ganyan pala yun. Kailangan natin ng at saka yung ito. Ay, hindi ko kita. Close. Open this way. Ayun. Ito parang filter siguro. Kita nyo. Kailangan ay! No! Naku, may tubig. Kailangan ko ng pala. Ay! Ito pala muna i-drain natin ito. Bago buksan. Ay, ang baho. So, ayan pala niya guys. Dapat i-drain pala muna ito. Pero ayan, meron siyang plug screw. I-drain pala muna ito bago ito buksan. Tapos i-brush yan dahil parang yan. Tingnan natin yung meron dyan. Ayan. Kasi ayan. Whoa! My Lord. Ay, parang filter niya pala yan eh. Iyak. So, ayan. So, ayan na guys. Naibalik ko na yan. At ito ay nalinis ko na rin. Parang ito ay filter pala ito. Na dito napunta yung mga debris. Yung mga ba. May mga buhok-buhok. Ano ba ito? Hindi ko kita. Ganyan natin. Ano ba? This way. Na-atchin ako. Excuse me. So, ayan na. I hope I hope na ibalik ko siya ng tama. And kasi lalabas yung tubig dyan kapag hindi. But dahil mayroon namang ganyan pag if in case na bumaha. And ito lilinisin ko guys dahil wala akong afresh yung panglinis ng washing machine. Lalagyan ko lang siya ng guys. Ito na baking soda. Ay, bastos baking soda. Ayan, hindi ko alam kung how much, but ayan, baking soda na lang and suka. And ito pala pwede din pala ito oxyclean. Yeah, lagyan ko din ng dito. So, ayan. Lagyan natin yung suka guys. Ayan bubble. And then i-close ko lang. Start natin ito. Clean washer. Start. Tingnan natin. Ayan, kayo. Tama ba? Tama. Clean washer. Stay fresh. refresh yung ating washing machine. Let's see. Oh, 1 hour and 29 minutes. Let's see. And guys, I'm washing my washing machine front loader with baking soda and vinegar. Yung ganyan, oh. Asan ba? Stay fresh. Clean washer. Dahil bumabaho ito kapag lalo na yung edging niya parang guma ba, rubber. Nangangamoy siya if maraming suds and debris, buhok-buhok. Kaya I hope the vinegar will melt it. Vinegar talaga. Ayan, tapos na. Let's see, guys. Siyempre, mayroon pa rin dyan, dapat linisin ng manually. Yuck. Ew. Pero at least nalinis konti. Yung dito lang, yung medyo nalinis na. Pero yung dito, hindi. Ay, yeah. Ayun guys, so always and I'm making what?
Banana bread.
Are you my helper? Where's your sisters?
Watching TV.
Okay, so this is our wet ingredients and this is our dry ingredients, and we are going to slowly fold this into this, and then it's going to be banana bread. Christmas vacation. Okay, so you can do it slowly, not all of it at a time. Oh, wait a minute, I have to put the vanilla first. Here's the other baker coming.
I said, really?
Here's our banana bread. Let's check if it's aray ko. It's done. Ay, wala nang sumama, so it's done. So it was baked at 350 degrees for 40 minutes, guys. Ayan. So banana bread, not this.
I paid for it so you can watch it. You asked for it.
I was just asking you if they have it.
That's not what you asked of me. Turn the kitchen light out.
We are watching Easter Sunday.
Trying to.
Wow.
Oh, she had nerve to eating the clip bar instead of eating her food.
Because you don't like her.
That's not right. Mama wanted to go dancing, and Tita Susan wanted to play bingo.
No, it all started at dinner when we were making New Year's resolutions. Mine was to stop wearing shorts with my postal carrier uniform. I have varicose veins.
Okay, so sarap, guys. I can't stop eating. Ayan, butter yan sa. Sarap sa kape. The best banana bread in the world. There's no choice. Wow, that traffic. Oh, they're going the wrong way. So now,
Okay, so
So yun guys, lumabas kami dahil 2 days nang hindi nakalala system ng bahay. Kaya lumabas kami, pumunta kami Costco, nagpag-gas. Tapos dumaan akong wing ko dahil kumuha akong ano. Basta. Ito. Ito lang guys yung aming dinner para hindi na kami luto. Light sea version, tinamad version. Ano, hati-hati na kami dito. Dalawa. Mas mura sa ano, 5.98 ito sa Walmart or 6. Ito. Dalawa. Tapos tinapay, puro tinapay. Tapos ayun. Yun lang guys. Tapos Pepsi pa. Pepsi tayo. Ang habang service. All American subs and Italian subs.